Hi, it's James here from Totally Lodge UK, and today we're going to be looking at mushroom spore flowcharts. It sounds a bit weird, but this is the thing that people do when you go out with foragers and they pick up a mushroom and they turn it around in their hands, rip it in half, give it a smell, stuff like that. These are the things that they're doing, whether they're doing it consciously or unconsciously. What we're going to look at is the cogs of how they identify, and we've called it a mushroom spore flowchart. So we're going to take a look at Boletaceae or spore porous mushrooms, but doing it through our flowchart. So we start by going to our flowchart and we look at the general look of the mushrooms. We're going to say we're going to ask, have we found a mushroom with a cap, stem and gills? If we turn this porous mushroom upside down, we'll see that it doesn't have gills. It actually has a spongy underside, like the sponge you'd use to wash your car, something like that. So then we go to the next one. We found a mushroom growing from the ground, which we have. Looks a bit like this one actually here, with a cap, a stem, but no gills, so it doesn't have any gills on the underside. So it's telling us straight away, don't worry about a spore print. Let's head to page 27. So 27, cap, stem, no gills growing on the floor. Now, first question, we always start with the blue square. Cap with pores or spikes on the underside. So we're going to say ours doesn't have spikes like you get on the hedgehog mushrooms. It's actually got a spongy underside. So we're going to say pores, yes. Now, this is great from a foraging and a food point of view. At this point, we can use the great Bolete rule. Red or blue, it may make you spoo. If it's bitter, it's not for dinner. So, what's that saying? If there's any vibrant, bright red on this mushroom, we can leave it be. If we cut it in half and it stains blue instantly, we can leave it be. And then the last one that's left is the bitter Bolete. So if we take a nibble at the edge of the cap and it's incredibly bitter, we'd leave it. It's not toxic, but we'd leave it be just because it will make our food taste very, very bitter if we were to cook it up. And we can literally follow that rule and not even have to know exactly what mushroom we've got. But as long as we don't eat one that has bright red or stains blue or tastes incredibly bitter, we've got an edible one. We do have much more you can follow down, so you can find the Sir Willis, the slippery jacks, you can find the lechinums or the birch boletes, old man of the woods, porcini. So you can follow this down, but again, from a food point of view, quick wins, we can just follow this rule here. That's it.